weakened bladder, it sends the wrong signals up and down this nerve, and it kind of fools your brain into thinking you need to go to the bathroom, even though you don't. So this is why some people, they feel or they sense that they have the urge to go to the bathroom, and then they sit down, or if you're a guy, stand up, and you're trying to pee, but you really don't have to. There's only a little bit that comes out.
Yeah.
So the good news is that MyBladder does help with this. It can help the brain and the bladder get on the same page.
That's right. Very well said. So basically, the underlying issues here are, one, a physical weakness in the walls of the bladder, and secondly, this communication issue you've described between the brain and the bladder. MyBladder, this new formula from Purity Products, shown to address both. It strengthens the bladder, and it sort of gets your brain and bladder communicating better, sending the right signal. And remember, at the top of the show, we started with those three important questions. One, are you or someone you love dealing with a weak or leaky bladder? Two, does the occasional uncontrollable urge to go to the bathroom wake you up at night and, mess up your sleep? And thirdly, does a leaky bladder sometimes keep you from doing the things that you love to do? And if you have answered yes to any of these questions, then I am telling you that MyBladder is the ultimate solution for you. There is no other dietary supplement on the market that's even close to this. Over 8 out of 10 people who use this report that they get the benefits. We are going to prove this to you. If you are dealing with these bladder issues, you simply must try a bottle of MyBladder. If you're one of the first 1,000 callers from this weekend's radio show, we're going to send you out a full 1-month supply of MyBladder for just $9.95. It's less than $10. To make it even more enticing, we're going to give you free shipping. This is going to go to work in just a couple of weeks, so this is enough of a sample supply to give you some benefits, but if you keep using it over time, you will be even more satisfied with your results. This works. It's patented. It's clinically tested. This is over 20 years of R&D behind this magical combination of ingredients. It's won all sorts of international awards. Purity Products could not be more excited to bring this to the market here. It really works. Like Sherry just said, you can begin seeing results in as little as 2 weeks, and the results build over time. Give us a call, 1-800-500-1852. That's 1-800-500-1852. Again, the full 30-day starter bottle of MyBladder for just $9.95 with free shipping. 1-800-500-1852. That's 1-800-500-1852. We absolutely guarantee your satisfaction, so call us right now, 1-800-500-1852. I'm going to give that number out again a little bit later on in the show. We've got a lot of ground to cover. We are talking with Sherry Torkos, pharmacist and longtime advisor to Purity Products. And Sherry, as we move along here in this important discussion about our new and innovative way to help people deal with that occasional bladder weakness with urine leaking and with an overactive urge to urinate, why don't I hand it back to you, and maybe, for people just tuning in, could you give us a quick recap here?
Yeah, sure. So we know from the statistics that about 33 million Americans deal with bladder leakage. And I can tell you, as a pharmacist, and I've been practicing over 30 years, I've talked to so many men and women who are trying to manage this issue. So if you're listening, or you have a family member that you think of that is dealing with this issue, know that they're not alone. There is help available. Occasional bladder leakage, I know that this is a distressing and embarrassing issue. It affects your quality of life. And sometimes people feel isolated. They're afraid to leave their home because they don't want to be away from the bathroom or have an embarrassing accident. So, I completely empathize. It's a tough issue. But the good news here is that Purity Products, with this product, this MyBladder, it can offer dramatic benefits to help strengthen the bladder, cut down the urgency to urinate, and help people reclaim their lives. There are 14 clinical studies backing the benefits of this product with impressive results. We're talking about a 60% reduction in urinary urgency. That's the need to pull out. This is not a sleep aid.